Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's absolutely critical for anyone running a website or web application, but is often overlooked: the user agent. What is it, and how can a seemingly innocent string of text be a major key to your web security? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to spot and stop the bad guys before they cause any trouble. So let's start with the basics. Every time your browser, or any program for that matter, connects to a website, it sends a little calling card. This is the user agent string. It tells the web server things like, "Hi, I'm Chrome on a Windows 10 machine," or "I'm Safari on an iPhone." This helps the server deliver a version of the site that's perfectly formatted for your device. It's a handshake, a simple, helpful piece of communication. But what happens when that handshake is deceptive? This is where malicious user agents come into play. Imagine someone showing up at your door pretending to be a delivery person, but they're actually a burglar casing the joint. In the digital world, malicious bots, scrapers, and scanners do the exact same thing. They often use fake or generic user agent strings to disguise their true identity and intentions. They might be trying to steal your content, find security vulnerabilities, or launch an attack on your server. And if you're not paying attention, you're leaving the front door wide open. So, how do we become digital detectives and spot these imposters? The first step is monitoring your incoming traffic. You need to look for patterns. Is a single IP address making hundreds of requests per second with a strange user agent? That's a huge red flag. Are you seeing a lot of traffic from user agents that are outdated, unusually simple, or just don't look like they belong to a real browser? These are all clues. Analyzing your server logs is like reviewing security camera footage. You're looking for anything that seems out of place or exhibits abnormal behavior. Luckily, we're not starting from scratch. The security community maintains extensive lists of known malicious user agents. These are the digital fingerprints of bots associated with spamming, vulnerability scanning, and other nasty activities. Think of it as a most wanted list for the web. By comparing the user agents hitting your site against these known databases, you can immediately identify and block a significant number of threats. It's one of the most straightforward and effective first lines of defense you can set up. Now, identifying the problem is one thing, but how do we actively solve it? This brings us to mitigation, and the most powerful tool in our arsenal is server-side validation. This means your server doesn't just blindly trust the user agent string it receives. Instead, it checks it. You can configure your web server or firewall to automatically block requests from user agents that appear on those known malicious lists. You can also set up rules to challenge or block requests that have blank, generic, or nonsensical user agent strings. This simple validation step can filter out a massive amount of harmful, automated traffic. But here's the catch. Savvy attackers know we're looking at user agents. So they've started creating bots that perfectly mimic legitimate browsers, like the latest version of Chrome or Firefox. Their user agent string looks completely normal. This is where simple blocking isn't enough, and we need a more sophisticated approach to bot detection. The key here is to use a combination of techniques. Don't just look at the user agent. Look at the behavior associated with it. Is this Chrome browser solving CAPTS RHS at superhuman speed? Is it navigating the site in a way no human ever would, jumping from random page to random page instantly? By combining user agent analysis with IP reputation, behavioral analysis, and even browser fingerprinting, you build a much more robust and accurate detection system. It's about looking at the whole picture, not just one piece of the puzzle. Once you have these detection methods in place, it's time to configure your protection. Modern web application firewalls, or WAFs, and dedicated bot management solutions are designed for this. They allow you to create sophisticated rules. For example, you can decide to completely block known bad bots, present a CAPTCHA challenge to suspicious but not confirmed bots, and maybe even rate limit them to slow them down. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. You need to configure these strategies based on your application's specific needs. An e-commerce site might have different rules than a simple blog. The goal is to create a flexible defense that stops attackers without accidentally blocking your legitimate customers. So, why does all of this matter so much? Let's talk about the real-world impact. Malicious bots can do incredible damage. Content scrapers can steal your unique articles or product listings and post them elsewhere, hurting your search engine rankings in business. Vulnerability scanners are constantly probing your site for weaknesses like outdated software or misconfigurations, looking for an entry point to steal data or take your site offline. Other bots engage in credential stuffing, using stolen usernames and passwords to try and break into user accounts. And of course, they can be used to launch distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks, overwhelming your server with so much junk traffic that it crashes. Understanding and blocking malicious user agents is fundamental to preventing all of these threats. In conclusion, that little user agent string is far more than just a technical detail. It's a critical piece of the web security puzzle. By actively monitoring your traffic, recognizing the signatures of known threats, implementing server-side validation, and using a multi-layered approach to bot detection, you can dramatically improve your website's defenses. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Don't wait for an attack to happen. Put the right protections in place now. I hope this breakdown has been helpful and gives you a clearer picture of how to secure your web presence. Security is an ongoing process, and this is a fantastic place to start. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future content. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.